Okay, so I remember answering your question a few days ago, this specific question. So I just wanted to answer it again for you so that way you can have more clarity. So, if your specific person is not loyal to you or you have fears of them not being loyal to you, that means one of two things: that you either have limiting beliefs going on within yourself where you don't feel chosen, you don't feel good enough, you don't feel worthy, you maybe feel abandoned from something that happened to you in the past that is still dominant within you, or you specifically have assumptions about your specific person that maybe you picked up from somebody else, that they're a cheater, that they don't want to be with you, that they are never loyal to anyone in their life. So if they're not loyal to anyone in their life, they're not going to be loyal to you. And when you have these dominant assumptions going on in your subconscious, either about yourself or about that specific person, then that specific person has no choice but to reflect that back to you, to show you what is still dominant within you. Remember, everyone is you pushed out. So he is just a mirror to you to show you what's going on within you. So if you want him to be loyal to you, then you need to work on your self-concept and start telling yourself that you are deserving of love, that you are an incredible person, that everyone is always loyal to you, everyone always stays in your life, everyone always treats you like a queen. And start having better assumptions about your person, that they are always loyal to you, that they always show you love and affection every single day, that they always want to be with you. When you completely change your self-identity and change your thoughts and assumptions about your specific person, then they will reflect that version that you have created in your mind. I hope that this helped give you some clarity. Follow me for more tips.